Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you are doing great. I think you already saw my video on how to get cash back when you go to the grocery store. Well, we buy at the store, but we also buy online. So I'm going to show you 3 apps that give you cash back when you shop online. If you want to know more about this, just stick around. So let me talk to you about the 3 apps that you can use. First of all, I am going to put all of the information and links in the description box below. Use them because if you use them, in some cases, you get an automatic reward and so do I. So check that out later. But first, let me tell you about them and how they work. The first one is Swag. Swag, they call it the Swag button. And basically the way you use it is that it's going to give you discount codes so you can get special discounts on certain items and even services. So you can get discount codes on places like Groupon or like food delivery places, or you're shopping, you're going to get a discount at Macy's, and you're also going to get cash back. So who doesn't like a little bit of cash back when you're shopping? Either way, you're going to come out ahead. So that's one. Now this is one that I really love. The other one, number 2, is Honey. Honey is super cool because Honey works with every site that you shop on. Let's say you're shopping for shoes at DSW, or you're shopping for makeup at Sephora, or you're shopping at Macy's, any place. But it also works on Amazon. So you're going to get your coupons, you're going to get your cash back, but on Amazon what it does is it tells you what the best price for that item is on Amazon. So let's say you find a telescope on Amazon, it'll automatically tell you that there's another vendor that has the same telescope for a better price. It'll also tell you the price history of that product, so you know if that vendor might reduce the price if you wait. So that is super cool. If you shop on Amazon, you definitely need to have Honey. You definitely need to have it. Check the link below for my special code. And then the third one is Ebates. Ebates, everybody I think knows about Ebates and how that works. Ebates is again a application you put it's an extension you put on your browser, and automatically when you land on a page that they collaborate with a vendor, you're going to get special cash back. You're going to get anywhere from maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, depending. But imagine if you have a coupon. Imagine if, and you can, because I've doubled these services up. So imagine if I have a coupon from Honey, and another one, a code from Swag, and another one from Ebates. Some places allow you to use more than one code. So you really, and if you shop things that are on sale, you really save money. So it is a great way to do the shopping for the things you need. Make sure you get the best price using Honey, and make sure that you get some cash back and you save money. So I think it's great. I think it's a great thing. Check it out. Look at my links below. Look at my other videos that I've done on how to save money. And I hope that you like this video. Please subscribe. But more important than all of that, I hope that you have a day filled with peace, love, and joy. Bye-bye.